Namaste. Welcome to day 4 handstand practice with Sandeep. Today's practice or today's focus only into the core to gain the strength of our core and the back also. So without wasting any time, welcome everyone. So first you have to keep your both legs straight at the front. We are going to start the core exercise from the normal or the seated position. So first you will bring your both hands back, interlace your fingers and try to keep your both knee bent and gently lean backward, rounding the back, engage the core. Take a deep breath in as you exhale. Slowly lift your legs up. Take a breath. As you exhale, start switching your legs here. Right elbow to left knee and right leg look straight and try to switch every time the other one. 20, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now after complete this, both arms up. As you exhale, forward bend, start moving gently up and down, up and down, up and down. It will help you to free your back. And once you start, breathe. It will help you to relax your core muscles or your abdominis. Now second work, again both arms up, cross your hands and catch your head from the back. Gently lean backward. This time a little bit more deeper. Here, keep the both legs off and start switching. Here need balance and try to switch. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. When you come up, bring your both hands up and hold this position a few seconds. Longer your back. 3, 2, 1. Both arms up as you inhale. Forward bend, exhale. Start moving. Down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. Maintain this. At last 10 seconds, you have to repeat like this. Now the next work on our core, a little bit stronger. So this time I'm going to interlace my fingers and every time I'm going to twist with my exhalation. So when I'm keeping my right leg up, lean backward and try to switch my right leg to the left hand side, we flex the toe and keep the both arms switch to the right hand side when my core is engaged. Inhale up, exhale left, inhale up, exhale right, inhale up, exhale left, inhale up, exhale right, inhale up, exhale left, inhale up, exhale right. 5, switch, 4, right, 4, more, 3, left, 2, left, 1, left, and back to center. Exhalation, forward bend. Again move down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. Now next one, simply sit like me, both arms up as you exhale, slowly down, lie on the back. Keep the right knee bent and try to bring your both arms back. As you exhale, come up and support your right palm at outside of the right leg. Try to catch your left foot and pull it up until you're making a 90-degree angle by your femur bone and try to engage the core, touch your forehead at the right knee. Release, inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, down, exhale, 4. Inhale, down, exhale, 3. Inhale, down, exhale, 2. Inhale, down, exhale, 1. Hold it here and then slowly release. Both arms up, down, inhale. Release the right one, change for the left. Again for 6 times repetition. Exhale, up, catch your foot by your right hand and try to pull it up, pressing the mat and try to touch your head. Inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, down, exhale, 4. Inhale, down, exhale, 3. Inhale, down, exhale, 2. Inhale, down, exhale, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Breathe. Open legs, open arms. Freely breathe. Feel your breathe into your abdomen. Feel the stomach movement. 10 seconds. Deep pay attention into the breath. And then both arms over to the head. Keep your feet together. Flex head toe. Take a breath. As you exhale, without lift your head off from the mat, try to come up. This much. Forward bend. Down inhale. Every exhalation, inhalation, try to move like me. A few seconds. And then release. Now we are going to start our core exercise from the lying position. So lie down on the back first, and then bring your both hands a little bit stretching forward. So feel that your upper back, it's not touch on your mat. Try to keep lift up, engage your core. Feel your core is tight right now. Both toes pointed and lift your both heel up at plus 45 degree or 35 degree angle. Once you're done, hold here. Nothing to do. Just focus into the core strength. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Feel your breathe again into your stomach. Make sure whenever you are practicing your core exercise, you are practicing with empty stomach. We're going to repeat this lower board exercise for 5 times. Together, every time try to gain the limit of the time. Like first time I'm already hold at 10 seconds, so second time should be 15 seconds, third time should be 20 seconds. Now together, this time for 15 seconds. Keep your upper back off, stretch your arms forward, fingers all are open, 35 degree, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down, open legs, open arms. So right now, if you feel your abdomen is so much painful, keep your both knee bent, arms a little bit far from your body. Switch your both knee side to side with your normal breathing. So it will help you to free your back, free your abdominis muscles, including your hip rotators. Now after a few seconds, relaxation again, this time for 20 seconds. Keep your both toes pointed, upper back off, keep the legs up, hold on. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to your normal breathe. Again, if you feel tired, you can micro bend the knees and switch your knees side to side with normal breathe. Remember, whenever it's up to your press handstand journey, your core should be more stronger. So for that, just work on the core maximum time so you can feel your pressing handstand more easy. Next one for abdominal twist. So first you have to lie on the back again. Adjust the lower back position on your mat. Now keep your both hands at the back, catch your head. Keep the legs off again at the 35 or 45 degree angle. Every time I'm going to touch my elbow to the opposite knee here, but without touch my shoulder on the mat. So try as much you can lift your upper back off so you can feel your upper core muscle. Here, switch 20, 19, 18, 17, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Both hands open, both legs open, freely breathe. We are going to repeat these things again. The abdominal twist. This time I repeat only for 20 seconds or 20 steps every time switching the side means 10 steps for both sides equal to 20 times. Now next time we are going to increase the length of the time. So this time I am going to focus into the 30 second continuous. So focus that I am switching every time the elbows to the other knee at plus 15 times. Means 15 right, 15 left, total 30. Okay? Now together. Complete without. Catch your head. Now legs up. 30. Okay, count yourself. And relax. Oh, it's burning. Now keep your hands open, legs open, freely breathe. Again, you can both knee bend and switch the knees side to side to free your abdominis and your back. After you complete this set for 2 times or 3 times, it's up to you. If you feel really is painful, no need to practice with force. So focus as much you can, and that much you practice. So no need to force any time on your abdomen or whatever the postures, whatever you're practicing right now. Maybe it's the another things, the back bend or stretching, whatever it is, try not to force. So whatever is up to your capacity, feel your capacity as much you can, try to practice that much. Okay. The next practice is really important for the pressing handstand. So arrange 2 blocks before you start practice. But if you haven't the block, so you can easily buy from any platform or online shopping platform or online applications. And then try to catch the block like me and place it at the front, rounding the back, slide your hands back until you find your balance on your buttocks. After that, I'm going to keep the back around and stretching my arms forward. So try to catch like this and try to point at your toes. Now lift your both legs up with pressing the fingertips on the block like this, as much you can. Up, down, closer to the mat, not touch. Up, down, inhale. Up, exhale, down, inhale. Up, exhale, down, inhale. Up, exhale, down, inhale. Up, exhale, down, inhale. So this time we are going to focus that our both legs should be stronger enough and lock the knee. Quadricep engage and point at the toe. When you're moving back, that time your back is round and core is engaged and both shoulders are actively working. So when you are keeping the both legs up and try to touch your head, that time you can look at my position here. Pointed toes, activate the shoulder and core really engaged. So don't push the block so much forward. Use the fingertips to pressing on the block like this. Okay. And now back longer. Both arms as you exhale forward bend, catch the toe, pull the toe to the knee and start moving down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up to stretch the back and free the blood circulation into your entire back and your core muscles. After this, we are going to work on our core with 1 block only. So first you have to keep both legs forward until you place your heel edge of the mat after the line on the back. Once you're done, catch your block on your hands in between the palms like this and keep the both legs up. Flex the toe this time. See, my back is completely touch on my mat. After that, when I exhale, try to keep your block up and reach to your feet and catch the block by your feet like this, and hands should be same position, only legs down, reach closer to your mat. Inhale, legs up, catch the block, fix your legs position, arms down, again up, catch, legs down, again up, catch, arms down, again up, catch, legs down, again up, catch, arms down, again up. See, my shoulders are always active and slowly down and up. This repetition should be 5 times, means 1 time legs up, hands up, legs down. It's a 1 set. You can notice me, I'm switching every time. If I work on my core, 1 time on the seated position, 1 time should be on the lying position. So it's good for you. So it will gain the arm strength, including your core muscles. If you focus only on the core exercise with the lying position, so it will gain only the core strength. But when you are on your sitting position 1 time, on your lying position 1 time, that will gain the strength of our back, core and the arms together. So that's why every time try to change. 1 time if you done any sequence of the core exercise on the lying down position, try to come up seated position and try the another things on the seated position with the arm strength. So it's a good exercise for you when you are practicing only for the pressing handstand. Mainly I am working on the pressing handstand, so that's why I am telling you that whenever you are practicing for the pressing handstand, try to every time change the sequence. One time lying down position core exercise, one time on the seated position core exercise. Now this time I am going to seated position. Here I am going to take my two blocks on my both hands like this and try to push the block. So this time feel that your chest muscles, shoulder muscle, trapezius and your back core completely work here. The both toe right now flex and knee lock. Here quads engage and then catch the block like this. Every exhale to lift your hip up and try to touch your forehead in between the knee. This is the word. So need to feel the strength of your arms and feel the weight of the body when you are pushing the block like this. Inhale, exhale, down inhale, exhale, down inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Repeat this again for 5 to 10 times. It's up to your capacity. Once you're done, don't forget to do the counter wrist rotation or wrist stretching. What all the exercises for the stretching of the wrist and the shoulder of the neck I already done on my previous video on the first day, second day, third day. You can focus in there. So there is various wrist stretching mobilities. So you can try this after every workout. So it will help you to free your muscles, free the bone joints. Next workout, here catch the block in the same way and push the block, lift your hip up. This much, rounding the back, activate the shoulder and the trapezius. Keep the right leg up, down, left leg up, down, right leg up, down, left leg up, down, right leg up, down, left leg up, down. 5, left, 4, left, 3, left, 2, left, 1, left. So every time when you're reaching up, that time find that your chin coming closer to the knee like this. Here. Okay, try repeat this again for 2, 3 or 5 set. Every after repetition, try. Don't forget about the mobilities or counter. Stretching of the wrist, stretching of the shoulder or the mobility for the shoulders. Okay. I hope, I believe that you practicing with my videos, not only just watching the videos and scroll the mobiles. If you are really crazy about the handstand practice or pressing handstand practice, so I hope you will practice. So it's from the beginners. I start from the beginners. Like maybe I can for 30 after 30 day, maybe I cannot can after 100 day, maybe after can 1 year. So it's a practice daily basis. I'm going to upload every a few days, so you can check my YouTubes, so you can subscribe my channel, you can tap the bell icon, so you will notified whenever I am going to upload my videos. Stay with me. See you all my next video. Namaste.